Hi, this is Anthony. Welcome back to my show. As always, before I begin, please click the subscribe button below. It really helps me out and it doesn't cost you anything. Thanks so much. A few days ago, I published a video on Virgin Galactic, stock symbol SPCE. And by the way, I did a video on their sister company, Virgin Orbit Holdings, stock symbol VORB, prior to that. Obviously, I encourage you to check out both those videos and be aware that the companies, while dealing with space, are two very different business models. I wanted to provide some information, a lot of it positive information, and it's taken from information supplied by Virgin Galactic's website. I'll put a link in the show notes. I encourage my viewers, if they're interested in what I've presented, to do more research before making any decisions on buying, selling, or holding. I'm going to put up the information on the screen for just a few seconds for each line, but obviously you can stop and start this video once you finish reading each line. You don't need me to read it out loud, plus I'm coming off having the flu and my voice is still a bit scratchy. Despite the title of many of my videos having the words buy, sell, or hold, I'm extremely reluctant in providing anything that looks like advice. I'm not a financial advisor and these videos are not financial advice, simply entertainment. But I hope that it spurs you to do your own research. My general philosophy on investing is the bulk of your investments should be in well-diversified portfolios with a long-term time range. If you want to devote a small percentage of your portfolio to more speculative investments, that might be appropriate for some people. In part, the amount should be related to your risk tolerance as well as your investing time horizon. But for many people, 5%, or for younger people with a steady stream of income, perhaps 10% of their portfolio might be allocated to more exotic or speculative investments, such as some of the ones that I might be mentioning. Again, don't buy, sell, or hold any securities based on what I say. However, if what I say is interesting to you, then do further research on your own, weighing the pros and cons, and then make your own decisions. So let's take a look at Virgin Orbit's charts and see how they've done. And remember, these short videos are designed to encourage you to do your own research on these stocks, which look interesting to you. You need to do your own research on the financials of the company. The company has been public for a little over 2 years and was taken public through a SPAC, a special purpose acquisition company. Most, if not all, companies that went through SPACs have since gone down, along with the rest of the market. You no doubt are aware that we're by many measures have dipped into bear territory, and the stock market right now looks like a dumpster fire. We have a recession on the horizon in the United States, and inflation continues to be a problem, especially food and fuel inflation. And there's a war going on in Eastern Europe, which in part affects the price of petroleum and wheat. For full disclosure, I have 11 shares of Virgin Galactic, and I'm down a little over 83% from where I bought those shares at. Those are held in my Roth IRA, so there's no sense selling them now to take a loss. My plan is to hold on to them likely for a number of years. Again, in this video, I wanted just to present some information from their website concerning their most recent financials. Obviously, they were looking at the positives. In my previous video, I look at some of the negatives for this company as far as the financials, as well as the ever-present possibility that there could be a catastrophic disaster for one of their spacecraft and crews, which obviously could dramatically affect the price of the stock. This is a company that is putting people into low Earth orbit and then returning them, and that involves a number of risks. So I guess those are my thoughts on the stock today. What are yours? Do you currently own any Virgin Galactic shares? And if so, how many shares and at what price? I'd love to hear from you, so leave that information in the comment section below. Okay, that's enough for today. Hopefully by now you've subscribed to this channel and liked this video. I would love it if you looked at my other videos. Hopefully click the like button on those and leave a comment, even a short one. All those things really help me out in building a following. Since this channel is not yet monetized, if you want to help me out, I sell small collectibles on eBay. Things like old stock and bond certificates, coins and banknotes, stamps and postal items and books, along with other things such as Masonic items. And because I ship all items with tracking and insurance, I only sell to buyers with the U.S. mailing address. Sorry. You can find all my items on eBay with my username stock_tycoon. If you're interested in buying silver coins as collectibles or investments, I usually have some listed. If you're interested in investing in gold or silver as a commodity, I have a few YouTube videos that explain how you can easily do that, plus some of the pitfalls in doing so. I'm on Instagram at AnthonyRRMills. You can follow me there. Thanks for watching and good luck in investing.